What exactly is Fed dot plot and how should one read it? Kunal simplifies it for us. Over to you, Kunal.
Thank you so much for that, Adiraj. And today's topic is, of course, on Fed dot plot, a very interesting topic which has actually been, a topic which has been more of a global front, and of course, not widely understood from a local perspective. So today we'll just try and simplify it with very important slide for Fed dot plot. So what is Fed dot plot? It actually shows the projections for the Fed funds rate going forward, and that's on basis on every year, 2022, 23, etc. The FF rate, that's the Fed funds rate, it actually affects the monetary and the financial conditions. So it's a very, very important rate. We of course know that with the rate hikes which have happened over the last year, this calendar year, in fact, it's impacted most of the financial markets, not just the US markets, but it's sent through ripples across the globe. So what exactly is the Fed dot plot? We'll go into the chart perspective. This is actually the how the Fed dot plot works. So the team of the entire Federal Reserve, they come back and they manage to show a projection on individual basis of how they would probably project the rates going forward. So this, for example, was September 2022, where the expectation was that the Fed dot plot or the rates for the FF rate would be closer to 4.25 approximately. Going forward 2023, 24, 25, and in the long run, that's what the projection is. Now, how do we simplify this chart? The simplest way to try and look out for is the median of this particular Fed dot plot, which means that this is the data point which actually acts as a median, which means expectation is that by the end of 2022, we could be looking at 4.25 approximately as a median rate for the median FF rate. 2023, the median rate is somewhere around this particular mark, which means the rate hike going into 2023 would slow down significantly. Come 2024, the median rate would be just around this particular mark. 2025, the median rate drops down to almost this kind of a level, and in the longer run, the median rate would drop down to this kind of a zone for the Fed dot plot. So this is how it's a dotical representation of how the rates would probably move on going forward. So this is a very interesting phenomena, something which I think a lot of the global economists, etc., are also following.